This is my new MTH RailKing Pennsylvania 460 freight set. Now, I'm going to show you my pieces. Here's a RailKing 460 steam engine. And there's a freight car, there's a gondola, tank car, and a caboose. Now here's some DCS stuff. There's a transformer, Z500 watt, and here's a DCS remote commander receiver, and this is a lock-on for the track, and there's the DCS remote and the cord for the receiver and the transformer. Now there's also the rail tracks, the ones that are detailed with ballast texture, the rail tracks I have, and there's the rest of the pieces in the box. And here's also a couple of papers in there. I'll show you. Now, there's a DVD-ROM, the Railware DVD-ROM. There's a lot of postcards. There's a lot of postcards, including a warranty registration. And there's a Model Train Club information sheet. And of course, there's instruction manuals for this set. And there's building layout info sheet, and a DCS sheet. And last but not least, of course, there's a catalog. There's the MTH catalog. It only shows ready to run train sets and accessories. Now here are some more trains I would get. Like, I hope I would get an MTH Premier one, which is more professional. But this RailKing is a beginner product line of MTH, and MTH Premier is more professional. I know it's expensive, but I still like them. I hope I can have this someday. See you again in the next video of this starter set.